Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change keyboard language on iPhone. To change your keyboard language to any preferred language you want, this is how you can simply do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings now. So once you open up your settings, you want to scroll down and tap on General. So let's tap on General here. So once you tap on General, you want to scroll down and tap on Keyboard. So let us tap on Keyboard. So once you tap on Keyboard, if you check the top, the extreme top, you are going to see where it says Keyboards. I want you to tap on that Keyboards. So once you tap on the keyboards, to now add any language to your keyboard, this is what you have to do. If you check the down part here, you are going to see where it says add new keyboard. I want you to tap on that add new keyboard. Once you tap on that add new keyboard, you want to search for the language you want to add. Let's say we want to add French to this my keyboard, French. So I will just select French France. So once you select the language you want to add, then it will ask you, do you want to add it to your previous language, or you want to add new keyboard? Tap add new keyboard. So once you tap on add new keyboard, you want to select QWERTY French here. Under here you can see where it says layout. I want you to select QWERTY French. So once you select QWERTY French, if you now check the top right corner, you are going to see where it says done. I want you to tap on that done. So once you tap on that done, then you have successfully changed the keyboard. So now it is time for us to show you how you can actually change your language on this iPhone. How you can switch between language. Then you want to go to your notes. When you get to your notes, then you can see there is a globe icon at the bottom left corner. That globe icon, if you tap and hold on that globe icon, it will show you all the languages you have, and you can easily choose which one you want to use. So guys, this is how you can actually change your keyboard language on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.